Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Burgess. If you've been watching my channel, you might know that I've been painting in various mediums using different brushes. In today's video, what I'd like to do is to use it not on a normal plate palette, but I'd like to use it using this one. Now this is, let me get it open. This is now don't laugh, and you might think, oh, it's a childish palette, but it's pretty good actually. It's the Pelican. It's the Pelican watercolor set, which is actually opaque. It's not the transparent one, it's the opaque one. And it's got these lovely large pans, And what I'd like to do is to see if it's possible to use a brush with these large pans and see how the paintings turn out. So in today's video, what I'd like to do is create a simple landscape and just to see how it comes out. And I do hope you like it. And so let's get started, shall we? So I wet the sky first with clean water, and then I take some yellow ochre and I put it sort of all across the page, like that. And then followed by and then you take a brush to pick out a few clouds. Do like that. Now we let this dry. Now that it's dry, I'm going to wet it again. Just sort of along here like that. Not all of it. I'm trying to do a sort of a wet on wet technique. So I'm going to go back in with the yellow ochre. Maybe a bit thicker, like that. And on top of that, I want to add some other colors just to give it a bit of pizzazz. So I'm going to add wipe the brush a little bit, and let's just add. These are coming out straight from that palette I told you about, that Pelican that I mentioned in the intro. Make it a bit dark, thicker. Let's add some greens here. So let's dry this off as well. Now let's sort of start layering. So I've got, I'm putting on yellow ochre. As my sort of base. And this is really sort of thick yellow ochre, straight from the pan. Now I go in with some orange. Wash that out, and now we add really sort of reddish colors here like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep layering. Now what I'm going to try and add is another sort of darker color, and I'm going to go with not a darker color, a different color. This is all reds and things. I'm going to try now add greens. Wash that out. You know what I was really aiming for is sort of like a sort of like an autumn vibe to this painting. So I'm gonna add any old thing I can get hold of. Now this is, I don't know what color this is now. Okay, this is a different type of green. This is fine. I'm liking this. I'm liking this color actually. Put that along here like that. I'm using that weird brush I told you about that I found in that sort of a dollar store, the equivalent of a dollar store in Dubai, and it's pretty good because it's rough enough and it picks up colors really well actually, and stipples really well. So let's try this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that. This is a nice, I don't know what the color this is, but it's a nice dark one here. Yeah, I didn't. This is much better. I like this color better. Wow. Okay. Now, I don't know what you think of this painting. What I'm trying to do is create a sort of an autumn sort of vibe here, because I know autumn is a long way away. Well, no, actually it's not. A couple of months and we should be in it now. So it's a nice reminder, because at the moment it's nice and hot, very nice and hot, and you know, we all want the summer to be gone nowadays, because it's not like it used to be in the old days. Seems to have become hotter now. Okay, now I'm going to put a few darks in there. Well, by darks I mean burnt sienna. I'm going to put a few burnt siennas in there. Let's see what happens with this one. Okay, I hate this burnt sienna actually. This Pelican palette has a burnt sienna, which isn't my favorite actually. Let's put it in the front here like that. And a few more here like this here in the front like that. It's not my favorite because it's not your normal looking burnt sienna. It's a bit weird. It's I'm gonna intensify that green again that I did there. And now there's an odd green I've got here. I think it looks like a viridian or something. I'm gonna put that in as well. What the hell? Just do it. Oop, should I be saying hell? I don't know. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of brown in there. Browns here. Now what I'm going to do is take a thin sort of brush. Let's see, where's my rigger? Here it is. And what I'm going to do with that is put in some distant sort of, not distant, sort of tree trunks in here. Like that. Need to lean on something here. Yeah. This brush is this bit more, I think, here. And now what I'm going to do is work on a little bit on the forefront, in the front. And for this, I'm just going to add a sort of a simple. Let's just try. I don't know. Let's just play it by ear and add whatever we can. So let's just add. To darken it up in the front here. Not like that. I think maybe a bit more. And just that, and we can add a bit more in the front here like this. Make it all. Oh, should we take this out? Let's take this out. It's getting my nerves, this. But I'm trying to pin it to something, and it's not pinning. Okay, let's. We can actually paint this bit as well. Okay, like, oops, like that. Like this. I'm wondering whether I should scrape something here. Maybe. That, and if you don't like that, you can go back in and change a few things here like this. texture there. I don't know. Let's just do anything. And scrape out again if we like. Try the thinner end. Yeah, like that. And we can just like this. Now I'm wondering whether I'm going to ruin this by adding a trunk here. Should I? I'm really worried about this. I don't know what to do. Feel like doing something, but maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should just add some posts or something here, like that. I don't know, just something. Just feel like adding something, you know? And we'll just add a bird. I can find my pen. Let's just see if I can find my pen. Shall we use black one here? Let's just add, I don't know, let's add it. Okay, here we are, an autumn landscape. I do hope you enjoyed that. Do consider subscribing if you did, and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.